Look at this, huh?
Woo! Man. I like that.
See, Benny, when you want to practice your camera skills, this is what you follow.
Look at her little legs.
Yeah, keep it moving on. We better show Kira that so she'll get the hang of it.
She might bite it.
She might bite it. No, I'm not learning how to walk. How to teach her to walk. Now maybe that'll show her how.
I don't think this is fair. You all used to get up and have your cup of coffee and get away before you all did
I know.
anything.
We did. We had our coffee.
I haven't had any coffee.
It's ready.
I haven't had a chance to get any.
Well,
That's your fault.
We can hold
No,
up.
it's not.
We can wait till you
Go get a
I
cup of
couldn't
coffee.
get up because once we walked 2 steps.
We got plenty more to open up here.
I'm just saying, I wanted to see her do this. I haven't even
I
had
gotta
a
brush
drop of
her
coffee yet.
hair.
It's not for you all, did it?
Does she feel like Kara?
Deal, make her get over here.
It's a nice one.
Let's make her get over.
But we don't have no batteries in here. I'm holding on.
What?
She said you better go over and look at the rest of them. She seen them?
See what?
Has she seen them?
No? Okay.
Elsa, take it slow when she gets here.
Oh no, forget that.
Mommy!
Ooh, there's a big baby. Let me see that baby.
I'm partial to this myself.
Wow, look at the shoes on this one.
It hurts when you tilt the head.
Oh, it does?
I gotta get some scissors. It's lifelike. It's like got long legs and stuff.
I think I like that myself.
Those two feelings.
Want me to open
Yeah.
Hey, Stephen, you tied me really nice.
What?
it? Yeah, okay.
Stephen tied this in a very long knot. Where's my kitten?
Oh, fixing it.
Okay. Oh, what's here?
Tape on it too, doesn't it? Great.
Santa tied that really long, didn't he?
You sure did. Just got to pull it out now.
Just stand out. And
Huh?
You remember that knife, do you?
It was a big belly, right?
It's got yes in your fishing box.
Oh, really?
don't let us skin off.
Really great. There we go. Now we're getting it.
Trash bag started.
This thing don't have any wide lens on it.
That's a pin holder, right?
Just say it's a little something you picked up on the way over.
That is cute.
Let's sacrifice something else.
Then when you realize you like pigs. Oh, it's first class. Oh, you got gummy bears?
What is in here?
I don't know.
There's some place about I saw on TV, but I don't know where it was at. They had cookie jars made out of pigs, and when you pick the lid up, it oinks. The cow moves.
Huh.
Some special, just got something special about the car. Is that a cotton box? Oh, Yes, that's, well, just color his hair blonde, just look like Brian.
Ocean City coloring book, all right.
Brian.
What's in here?
Now Brian could go out there and surf thing, put a little Santa stocking on it, and we could film him. He could be on the news.
What's that?
Uh-oh, looks like we're going to McDonald's. All right, gift certificate to McDonald's. Wow.
All right.
Yeah, look, we can get a hamburger, French fries, and a Coke. 1, 2, 3, all of them. You know, maybe you can sit down and watch the rest of hers.
Maybe. Me and my kitty.
Yeah, we could put it.
Is that strawberry jam in there? Did you make it?
Look, them shoes got holes in them already. What do you think?
That's different, isn't it? I like that better. Your ankles won't be all, you know.
It don't curl in.
Opie's favorite toy.
Mommy! I knew it was a snowy foot.
You did.
How'd you know? Yeah, that's a good one. You don't have any Snow
That will
White.
come out, Benji. Does it? So the lady at the flower shop was trying to help us. She couldn't find them. Then he brought them out, and that was the wrong shoe that I picked out. I wasn't sure if he'd like that. I said, oh, there's those down there. And I said, so that's why I could always bring them back. And he said, oh, they'll only give you a credit, so you have to get something else out, right? So I said, well, I don't know then. So I said, okay, well, I'll give you, I'll write it on your receipt, you can bring it back, and get your money back if he doesn't. But you have to do it right away.
We can change America, and here's how.
All right. Send that to President Clinton.
Impacting the media.
Uh-oh.
Start with yourself and your family. Put the heat on broadcasters and sponsors all on their view. You know what your children are hearing and seeing? One of Christians in arts and media. Full.
What are you doing? Oh, you don't like a lace like that?
Good.
Here's yours, darling.
48 of them. Okay, I'll get this one
How
next.
did you know? How did you know that was Brian?
Well, she helped me wrap it.
Oh.
Wow. Needed that.
Okay,
You're an
Opie,
inspiration.
no. Okay, we get Opie one.
Get up, you
Get your
want.
mom one. Who we get one?
Where is that pile?
Backpack.
A silk shirt! A new color.
Where's
Something
my
besides blue.
other present?
Thank you.
I'll get it in a minute.
This is just the style I like too.
Dad, don't step on your
Where's
gifts.
your present?
All
Oh, Brian's
right.
passing them out, honey. I guess he'll be fine mine in a minute.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
Good job, Melissa. And there's
Just
chips
use
on the
this.
inside.
Yeah.
Whose is this, Mommy?
Mom's are up there.
Huh?
Those are my
Whose is
stocking
this?
stuff I got at work.
Wow, that's a big one. I don't know.
I don't know, Mom.
That's mine.
Guess I'll get it. Maybe not. Oh, it's so. Yeah, it's pretty. Little cheese shells. Yay!
Excuse me.
Taste of my little dish I got over here.
Were you? Oh yeah.
Isn't it pretty?
Is that what you got from Rose at Work?
This is where my stockings at work. Alright! Okay, who's next?
Dan.
Oh, he said wait.
I'm
Dan's
doing
turn.
my present.
Dad's turn.
Then Brian's.
Dad's turn.
I said at least it was fresh.
Wait till you
Yeah.
get a water one on there.
A quickie hit.
Honey,
around.
oh, you just pulled it? Okay, there must be a secret. Okay, there must be a secret.
Dad, you don't take time. Just get that thing out. We don't have enough tape.
It's a porcelain doll too.
Hope it's what I think it is.
It's made out of glass.
Right. So you got to be.
Hey, Mama.
Yes, it is.
This is like Lisa's.
Perfect.
It is?
See?
Oh, yeah. She
It's
has
what?
a stand too.
Before and
It's gonna
after.
go. See, it stands up.
Thank you, Brian.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we need.
What'd you get, Dan? A wallet.
That's right.
I saw that. I'm gonna tell you something about that present after a while.
After a while.
Yeah.
A Wonderful Spirit-Filled Life by Charles Stanley. I've been reading for years. You can't read the books I have now.
He's a good minister. that I
Yeah.
like on TV.
Yeah, he is. She read this book a while back and she can't stop talking about it. It evidently is very, very good.
They know you like to read.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, what I got to read.
And they always buy nice stuff.
Here's what Karen did.
Great.
That gift. She unwrapped the end of it.
Oh, did she? To see it? Okay. 'Cause
Oh, don't shake it. Did you help wrap it? It's pretty paper too. Good. Talk about tape. Nope. Ran out of tape. The front, back, sides. The tape together. I need a pair of scissors, didn't I? One down and I'll just do it. All right. Yeah.
Who's that from?
Betty.
You open it.
Oh, Benny. And diamonds. Whoa. Probably that looks real little. Thank you. Hope they're big enough.
And just how do you know what's in there?
He doesn't.
Blue, yeah, it
Sure
is.
needed one. Had to wash the oven every other day.
You have to get that bigger because that's an outside jacket.
no,
Oh, that's yours? Okay.
we'll get Opie next.
What is it?
What is that?
Parrot.
Parrot, a little pet shop parrot. Oh, cute.
Just how many animals you need? Cat,
Yeah.
parrot.
Right. Oh, Beauty and the Beast. Belle, it's Belle. And who's that from?
Ron
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Brian.
You're welcome.
I want to play with
What
this.
you want?
You do? Yeah. Well, okay, well, wait a minute.
I forgot. Yeah, I guess so. Looks like it. I wrote that in there.
Let me help you open it, Mommy. I'll help you.
She's good at this. She's got that now.
She doesn't know how to
I'll
open.
help you open it.
Okay. Ooh. Ooh, this is my favorite place.
What's that?
Dimensions. It's got
That's my
jewelry and stuff.
present.
I like that. Ooh, thank you.
Brian, do you want to put your present up?
What Benny's next? What Benny? Oh yeah. That's
Jingle
nice.
Wingles. I like those. Thank you.
Oh, I would have.
Somebody.
Oh, my present!
Wait till your turn.
If I like them, you know you not think I am. Thank you very much.
What is it?
Big box.
Okay. Alright.
Who's this from? Oh, Mom and Dad.
Oh, my turn. Mommy, can I
What
put
did
my
come from
Benny, you're-
opening that?
All right. Now you bride to be twins.
We look for blue.
That's a little different.
Mama,
Yeah.
can I open mine?
It's thicker though. The one I have is too thin for winter.
Brian,
You're
can
gonna need a
I
little thicker
open
one.
mine?
Can
No.
she open hers? Wait just 1 minute you can. You're gonna get to, you gotta wait turns. Gotta wait your turn.
You like it, Ben? And if you don't, we'll go back and swap it. But they had, see, they had blue ones like the one I have, but it had this, they had green necks on it. All of them. Man, it looked horrible. It was like, it's like they used spare fabric to finish the coat off. It looked terrible. And it had this little hood thing under it. It looked
I
terrible.
know it's
They
here,
didn't have any
Mama,
like that.
I like that.
Yeah, I think that's a little better.
because that told me.
Get this on film. Up told you what was in there, huh?
What was it? What is it? What'd you tell
I
you?
can't tell you.
Ah,
Oh yeah.
you can tell us. but I
Okay,
could
it's
tell you,
it's my
huh?
turn. It's my
She
turn.
said, I
It's
know
my
what's in
turn.
here. Up told me.
It's my turn. I'm gonna open mine. Dad, I'm gonna
All
open
right,
mine.
let's
Oh,
try.
wait a minute.
Oh, take one.
Oh no.
Stimpy.
Stimpy.
Squeeze it.
Sticky.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Great. A little girl at work, one of the girls, the ladies at work, her girl comes in with this thing. I have a ball with it. They're gonna hate me now. I get to bring it to work.
Well, we got that because we got reminded
Do
us
it
of
again.
you.
It was made for Brian.
Oh, this is it. It's all right. I didn't have to get this bad boy open.
Oh my
You know what? I
God.
thought that little teddy bear, what's that? We done something wrong.
Oh no, that's the spitting boy again.
Yep.
I want my turn.
Whose little
I
teddy bear
want
was
it
that?
to be my turn.
Okay, Amanda, it will be. Okay, wait a minute. See, we want to. Go ahead, honey. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
What did I
What
tell
did he tell you was?
You didn't see it?
I told her it was candy.
Oh,
Candy.
Oh, that was good because it
I
sounded like
get
it.
sham over wrong.
Oh man, look at all
keep
this
that box
crayons.
because it's got a sharpener on the back.
Look.
You gotta keep your crayons in there.
Hello to the beast.
Oh, that was in the beach. What about that?
Benny, quit
Oh,
being
that's the other
ugly.
part.
Oh. Oh, three
A
of
complete
them.
set.
Gotta get that.
Wow.
You gotta get that tongue working right.
Well,
It's
here's
not got no
that.
slap in it. You know?
Bell. The
It's
beast.
too squeaky.
Wow.
The prince. Guess
Hold
what
up.
the priest turned
Hold up, I
into?
want you to take your
Fireman.
Oh, neat. Oh, everything that is so neat. All right.
Wow. They're dressed up, aren't they?
Is that it? That's it.
That's it?
See,
What?
that's really
Yeah. I'll get it in 1 second. I gotta gulp this down real quick.
There was a
all right?
hand I felt. I went.
This is to both of us.
No, you go ahead.
That's pretty paper.
Good.
That's when I come over, I'll have some chips and fish bread. Yeah.
Thank
Get
you.
it, April.
Right now we're going healthy, you gotta have vegetables.
We never have plates anyway. Merry Christmas, folks.
Now you rip open one of my nicely wrapped gifts and be mad. girl.
Oh! You scared that.
Get her, April. She's playing. Oh, if she's scared, she won't even walk by it. But she's going down.
Now,
Get it, April. Get it.
you're gonna be chewing. Oh, the cat get you.
She thinks it's a real cat.
Oh, and the Christmas tree! Look, Mommy, she's doing it. She's
Yeah.
giggling. See, she's giggling. Giggling. See, Mom?
Oh, yeah, honey. Woohoo. Oh, shoot.
Wow.
Oh, put that in
who's
the
that?
fridge.
No, that's no. No, April. Here's little ball matches. You see it? Yeah.
Forget.
I like that because the flowers in there. It's got like roses in it. Oh, yours. You can have vegetables and dip, or chips and salsa, or potato chips and
Chips and
dip.
salsa.
Probably
and
cheese.
chicken.
Cheese and
Crackers.
crackers. We can't put much cheese in there.
Well, you can put cheese around and crackers around there.
Cheese
You can put
whiz.
melted, yeah. Mmm. Cheese whiz and salsa.
Where's your
Very
brush?
nice.
Where's your brush?
Well, didn't finish this yet. Do that.
Here we go like this. I know.
Brian, that was a real one. That's a gift for Thurman, too.
We'll go in.
Oh, you have one more.
Look at that.
Okay, let's go.
Look at this.
How'd you know? I was gonna say, that's what you said.
Thank you.
How'd you
We
know?
were looking at them. We were going to buy one for everybody for Christmas. We were going to buy one for ourselves, and we never got any.
Never need to sharpen.
Yeah, the other kind, when you slide it in, it's supposed to sharpen it when you slide it in the...
What is that? What is that? Oh, no. We're scared of it, are we? It's a ball, honey. Turn it on, let her hold it.
We're on the floor.
Here you go, honey. Here.
She's sleepy too. Yeah.
Yeah, that's your ball. They didn't get you one like that, honey? I thought they was.
No. Remember?
I thought of there. They didn't answer. I don't know. You gotta learn you early to talk on that phone and talk on the phone.
I figured if Karen likes the phone so much, she's gotta like it. That was my reason for getting it.
What? She did it herself.
Ooh.
Just put her on the floor, maybe she's good.
She looks great.
Oh, it's a balloon.
What's that balloon?
Get her ball. Get her ball. Get her.
Get it.
Oh, we take turns. Oh, wait on him. Oh.
Look.
Get it, honey. Get that crazy ball.
There's that ball.
I say she loves that present. here. Let me have it. Still. Let me see it. Let me see it. Alright, bring it. Throw it over here. You come up this. Bring it here. Throw it. Throw it over here. Throw it over here. He gonna give it to. Oh, I see the dog. Huh? You gotta show her head no. Where's everybody, honey? Can't take a bite of that to pull your tooth out. There you go. There you go. Give it here. Throw it. Can I see it? There you go. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Go get it, dear. Yeah. You getting it? Come on, bring her back in here.
Kara!
She wants to put the baby in that thing. You shouldn't be playing with it. Okay? Let's put it back over here because it's not something that we play with. It's my ring. It's not something we play with.
Okay. Don't look at it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna open it.